Good afternoon, fae my wee corner in bonnie Scotland. Today is the 31st of May. Oh, the final breath o' a month that once bloomed wild and golden. And perhaps if you listen close enough, you'll hear it whispering still. The trees a wee bitty quieter now, and the winds are less certain, as if the earth itself is pausing before June steps in with her own stories to tell. This month gave us Beltane fires and yellow on the broom, auld tales dusted off like forgotten tomes. It gave us rain and the wind and the stillness. What did it give you? Maybe, maybe it reminded you of who you are when nobody's watching. Or maybe it left you restless, haunted by dreams you haven't named yet. You see, that's the thing about May. You see, she never leaves without leaving something behind. So, before we turn the page, I want to ask you, what will you carry forward? What are you releasing to the winds? Let the roots hold your sorrow. Let the flame keep your courage. And if you're waiting for a sign, for a path to open, for a reason to begin again, let it be this. Because, you see, a traveller's tale, well, it's never truly over. Only paused until you dare to step once more into the woods. So, farewell, May. We heard you. Love, the Highland Scribe.